what's up folks, it's Nick from TSPROF, long time no see. Today we're happy to announce our new giveaway due to National Knife Day in the United States, which is celebrated every August 24th. This time we have a lot of goodies, so let's have a closer look at what we have here. So first of all, this is our TSPROF Pioneer sharpener, and it comes with the new folding base, digital angle finder Axicube One, TSPROF Mag knife sharpener, 7-bit screwdriver, convex attachment ultra, notebook and sticker pack, and last but not least, silicone knife mat. And all of this will get just one lucky. As for the conditions, it's all the same. All you need to do is to make sure that you're subscribed to TSPROF International YouTube channel, leave a comment under this video connected with knife sharpening or let's say TSPROF, and make sure that you leave a comment until August 21st. The giveaway is valid for residents from United States and Canada. We will announce the results of the giveaway in August 22nd in our next video. By the way, from August 23rd up to August 25th, we're going to have a big sale at TSPROF, 15% off for all our TSPROF goods. So guys, participate in this giveaway. We wish you good luck. See you next time in our next video.